Hey guys, Travis here. Hope you are having a wonderful, wonderful start to your 2025. I still got my Christmas decorations up behind me, and so I hope you first had a Merry Christmas, and I hope your 2025 starts off great as I drop my phone on the floor. Uh, so the new movie that's out, that's all the big buzz, and I'm glad it's out, is the movie about Bob Dylan. Uh, it's called a complete a complete unknown. Is that right, Jake? A complete unknown. Yeah, complete unknown. And but anyway, Bob Dylan, wow, he actually wrote over 500 commercial songs. When I say that, I mean that were recorded, not just penned. So no telling how many he actually wrote and that wasn't recorded. Just incredible. So, in honor of Bob Dylan and his wonderful craft of songwriting. All right, so let's talk about this song. It uses four chords. One of them isn't ChordBuddy friendly. So, it uses G, D, and C. It also uses an A minor. ChordBuddy cannot make an A minor. So, what are we going to do? Well, guys, an A minor is basically a C with an A in the bass. So if you play our C chord and do not play the fifth string, only play from the four down. Now that's not an A note, but it won't give you the complete C chord because the progression goes C, D, A minor, C. I'm sorry. That's totally wrong. G, D, A minor, then G, D, C. And that is the progression. So the second time around, you will use your full C. All right. So the cheating A minor that we're doing with ChordBuddy isn't perfect, but it won't sound bad. And that's the whole point here. Okay. So, and I'm got to put my phone up here so I can get some of the words. I'm not going to do the whole song as always because it's repetitive. I'm just going to do the get this so it's not in the way of the camera. There we go. All right, so I'm going to do the intro, and the way you do this is I'll go. Now I'm not playing. I'm playing the C tab, but I'm not playing the fifth string, only from four down. Then back again. Now I am. I'm putting that C in there now. One more time. Here we go. Mama, take this bad for me. I can't take it anymore. It's getting dark, too dark to see. I feel like knocking on heaven's door. We've all felt like that, haven't we? Of course. Knock, knock, knocking on heaven's door. Knock, knock, knocking on heaven's door. Knock, knock, knocking on heaven's door. Not playing the C note, remember? Last time. Knock, knock, knocking on heaven's door. That's Bob Dylan's Knock, Knock, Knocking on Heaven's Door for you. Hope you enjoyed it. Remember, in playing it, it's G, D, and then on the C, the first time around, you don't play the fifth string. Then when you come back again, you do. This song, I was using tabs.com. You can download that app. It's free. And we've got several Bob Dylan songs in our songbooks that are ChordBuddy friendly as well. So Happy New Year to you, and we'll be doing more Bob Dylan songs next.